Merry Christmas!
Introduce Clipfly AI, the AI-powered video generator that makes even the most impossible ideas come to life. No fancy editing skills required. Clipfly takes all the hassle out of video creation. Just upload a photo, type in a simple description, and let the AI work its magic. From romantic kissing scenes to epic superhero transformations, Clipfly puts the power of professional video production right in your hands. The platform provides a wide range of customizable templates for different types of content, including marketing videos, social media posts, and holiday-themed creations like the AI Santa Video Maker. Users can modify these templates to fit their unique needs. The platform offers a wide range of pre-designed characters, backgrounds, and animations. Whether you're looking to create a fun, festive holiday video or a sleek, professional promotional video, the platform also syncs music and sound effects with the action in the video for a seamless experience. With just one click, you can unlock a world of design possibilities and bring your vision to reality. For example, AI Kissing Generator, an AI system that can create or simulate intimate or emotional moments, such as a kiss, by analyzing and adjusting characters' behaviors, settings, and emotional states. It would typically allow customization of scenes, including factors like character appearance, environment, and mood. First, click on Get Started button. After clicking, we get interface like this. Then we need to choose our characters. You can upload your own models or select from Clipfly's vast database. Then type the motion like hug, kiss, etc. Choose the mode standard or professional. After select the background whatever you want, then click on Generate button. After one click, you'll get the result. If you satisfied with the result, simply click on Download button to download the result. Let's see another tool. AI Superhero Video Maker, an AI tool within the platform, could create a video featuring a superhero, such as Superman. Alright, let's get started. First thing, we need to choose our superhero. You can either upload your own character design. After choosing our here, now type the motion description, cosplaying as Superman, and choose the mode standard or professional. Then choose the background, then click the Generate button. After one click, you'll get the result. If you satisfied with the result, simply click on Download button to download the result. Let's check out another tool. The AI Santa Video Maker is a tool that leverages artificial intelligence to create personalized, magical holiday-themed videos featuring Santa Claus. This tool is designed to help users generate dynamic, custom Santa videos with ease, using AI to automate many of the creative processes involved. Alright, let's get started. First thing, we need to choose our Santa. You can either upload your own character design. After choosing our here, now type the motion description, cosplaying as Santa Claus, and choose the mode standard or professional. Then choose the background, then click the Generate button. After one click, you'll get the result. If you satisfied with the result, simply click on Download button to download the result. That's Clipfly, your one-click solution for turning your imagination into reality. This artificial intelligence takes the heavy lifting out of video production, enabling users to create videos quickly without the need for professional editing skills. Clipfly combines the power of AI and creative flexibility to make video production fast, easy, and accessible for everyone, regardless of their technical skills. It's a user-friendly tool for influencers who want to create engaging videos for their followers quickly and efficiently. Ready to experience the power of Clipfly AI for yourself?
Let's see the another amazing results of Clipfly.
So there you have it, Clipfly is your one-stop shop for creating amazing AI videos, no matter your skill level. You can turn yourself into a superhero, make your photos kiss, or even generate entire videos just from your imagination. Remember, Clipfly AI is super easy to use. Ready to unleash your inner video creator? Head over to Clipfly and start making videos that will wow your friends and family. Link also available in the description. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more awesome tutorials. We'll see you in the next one.